Only on the corner, if you see them ordinary, you not believe the blood clot like a pussy in the girl itself. Good looking girl, pretty girl them. One of them must go, one of them a fuck one trailer man. So I don't know when though. When I tell me come wash up, oh, no, on the phone. No, go on video. But if me tell you something, I look no man to come love you for pussy myself. And boy, you can't me go beat me up. Me no come. Did me see man walk and I say, my girl, can I excitement you give up on me? Boy, no easy. Me tell you, say if you fall in love with me, because I pussy myself.
Man on TV pet.
I know that thing is like him a fuck an next man and the man like that. And him and he chuck man a send on big money. Yeah, some of them not sense, some of them not sense.
How the man feel, man?
Me can't blood tag up me to fall in love with bitch. You know easy.
Signboard.
Yeah, man, right now, yeah, man, I will have a in a house, in a lift straw. You don't think he do a beard himself to blood tag and put on him clothes. Yes, daddy. And you man, every night you man gonna out and sell pussy and carry money come here. Right now, I know one youth, one girl out of some out of some. They call him Big Hood. He live with and brown youth. You see, if he's a land in front of West there, so youth have one look for him when I run with the girl. Every night, every evening, you see man the girl walk and go out the road and pussy girl like I say. And him out there with the girl, and the girl collect, sell, keep the money for the girl. And the two of them live. Two of them live. I mean, a pimp or a crimp or a broom, I don't know, you must be mad. And I'm a... Yeah, man.
Ola, bro.
Right now, you go them a quarrel your fuck. Right now, you go them a quarrel your fuck. He igla them on the road and can't make them no money.
Oh.
Because the igla them, see, go them a roll up on price now. Especially when it's early. Go at the 3 grand, then big money, 2.5. Beats them out the road, them a say
5 bills.
5 bills. 15 bills. Alright, so if you can't go to a hotel, they might tell you 15 bills on them. 2 grand. But now they carry them back a place and put them in your vehicle. I'm going to say about it.
My Bridget, call him, go, you know. You want taxi, go, call him, you know, yo, that man is serious, you know. That man, that we are going to all our...
Where does go they come from?
Walkswood.
You want taxi to Portmore? No. You shot, sir?
Yeah, body. Flat.
Go.
You want friend named Go. You shot also. You want Portmore.
What are you doing?
If you want to go shot like that.
I'm in the worst.